Hey fam, it's girl Miss Diva Trucker. I'm coming to you today. I have breaking news for you that I just received that I wanted to tell you about, and it is from the coin.com. Oh my god, my light went off. Okay, I hope that's a little better. It's from coin.com. It's Koin.com. Okay, you can look up this website, and under civil affairs, it's an article here that says female trainee sues trucking company for allegedly abuse. Okay, the woman filed a civil rights lawsuit on Monday. All right, and according to the Associated Press, give me one second. According to the Associated Press, this was just posted December the 3rd, 2019. And basically, it's in Portland, Oregon, where it says a woman reigning to be a cross country. Keep getting this spam. Reigning to be a cross country cargo trucker claims in a lawsuit that her supervisor held her hostage in the cab of the truck and sexually harassed her, molested her for nearly a month with let's see, I keep getting this ad that keeps popping up. For nearly a month with the most egregious allegations occurred in Oregon. Okay, so this is happened in Oregon. Let me see. November 2018, the woman filed a civil rights lawsuit Monday against the trucking company called New Prime Inc. And the driver is seeking more than $11 million in economic compensatory and punitive damages. The Oregon Live reports the suit alleges that the Missouri based trucking company had an obligation to keep the driving trainee safe, but failed to do so and has a history of similar problems involving its truck drivers. Stephen Crawford, general counsel of the trucking company, declined to comment about the Oregon lawsuit or if the driver named is still employed. Okay, so you can look at this. I also wrote on my page that this is huge. Okay, this is huge. The reason why is because the Real Women in Trucking, we fight so hard against workplace violence in the training fleets. This is not a surprise. We knew the lawsuit was coming, and there will be more to follow. Okay. This is one of the reasons why we had the petition signed when we went to GATS and at the Dallas Truck Show, where all these people signed the petition, and we presented that to the FMCSA in GATS at Dallas. that led to us being invited up to meet with the FMCSA. And also, we took the initiative to meet with some Congress people of the state of these companies and also some representatives as well. Okay. This is why we did that, about the same issue, to warn Congress people, representatives, and the FMCSA that if preventative measures are not being taken to ensure the safety of workplace balance, more civil rights lawsuits are soon to follow. We shouldn't be afraid to address the issue, to talk about it, and to make a change. It is very unfortunate that other organizations won't have this conversation. Instead, they say it's no issue. They also victim blame. This is why it's so hard to make a change, because some of the major organizations that are supposedly here to help you, support you, and protect you, drivers, are not able to do so because they may be receiving monetary support by the same carriers where this is happening. Okay, we get the phone calls. We don't dismiss the drivers. We tell them to call the police immediately. That came from the FMCSA. They say that if something happens to you on a truck, you are assaulted in any way on that truck, you call the police immediately. Okay. We don't dismiss the drivers. We tell them to call the police immediately. Get a report, get a police report that this has happened to you. Do not depend on your company to do the right thing. Protect yourself and always have documentation of what's going on. Some of you use video cameras, some of you use audio cameras, because a lot of what they're saying is they want to have a third party. You cannot have a third party witness if the incident is happening on the truck with another person. That's only a two party. Okay. So, in order to have that third party, you have to call the police and get a police report to have third party involvement. Okay. Protect yourself and always document. In my personal opinion, this case will probably be settled because most of them don't even make it to trial. Okay. The real women the real women in trucking will have an educational training live from the EEOC on this issue and what to do if it happens to you in the trucking industry. So I will be coming back to you, and actually the lady is over in St. Louis, so maybe I'll go by her office and we can do that live feed together. I would like to have a list of questions that you may have for the EOC, so we can go ahead and prep her with those questions so she can answer them for you when we do the live feed. Okay. Be a part of the solution. We also are working with coworkers.org. And also, if you find yourself in a situation, you always can file a EEOC complaint. That's how all these lawsuits come about. They usually either file an EEOC complaint, and the EEOC gives them a right to sue. Okay. So that's how they're able to get these lawsuits. But this is exactly what we was talking about when we went to Washington, D.C. to make a change. And it should not be that hard. Let's see. Let me answer your questions. Let me see. But I wanted to let you know about this so you are aware that yes, this $11 million is nothing to cough at, okay? Especially if especially that we are going through this economic thing in the trucking industry where the rates are low and all this kind of stuff. Eventually, what happens and who pays for these lawsuits mostly are the drivers, the work of the drivers. Okay, so we got to make a change so we can cut down on these lawsuits and to protect the people that are in the workplace, in the training environment, when you are one on one with one on one with the student or the with the trainer. Okay, so I just wanted to come and let you know that this lawsuit is effective. It has been filed, and we will see what the outcome will be about it. Okay, so other than that, peace, love, joy, and happiness, and you all have a wonderful and blessed night. Bye.